it's Renee, and I wanted to give you a couple of tips and tricks on how to apply eyeshadow. It really is like paint by number. It really is, especially when you use the palettes. Now this is the Moonstruck Addiction palette number 1. I personally think that this is the most neutral and perfect palette for every beginner to start with, and it's because everything is perfectly neutral, and because they go with every eye color, and because they can be used all over your face. Really, you could do your eyebrows with this matte brown if you have darker hair, and you could also use it as a sculpting powder. So it's really a useful palette for your whole face. But I wanted to give you a couple of tips and tricks just so you can have the perfect smoky eye for daytime. You can have a neutral eye for daytime, or you can even smoke it out at a much darker look for evenings if you want to. Few basic things first. What you would do is they always divide up the palettes so that these 3 can be used as highlighter or lid color. These next 2 are transition colors. They go in the crease, and you pick either one. And then these 2 darker browns, that is going to be right here on your brow bone, and you can also use them as liners. So that is a really cool trick about these palettes, is that you pick any one of these 3, plus either one of those, plus either one of these, and you've got yourself a complete eye look. So they really have made it like a paint by number. So join me in just a second, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it can be.
So I use my favorite waterproof eyeliner and only go over about 1/3 to 1/2 the way on the lid. Then choose which one of the lighter 3 colors you want to put all over your eyelid using a fluffy deluxe brush, and just put it in a patting motion. Next, you'll choose your transition color, and that goes in the crease and just above the crease to the bottom of the eyebrow bone. And then last, you will choose your favorite of the 2 darker and go just above the brow bone so that it will make your eye pull up and out and look open and fresh and a nice daytime smoky eye. Then blend it out using the blending brush like a windshield wiper, back and forth. Finish off your look using your favorite mascara. This time I used Epic. I always use 2 coats. Look at those eyes, they'll dazzle you.